Greetings everyone. On this video, I've got a kit of door pocket liners. It's a 4-piece set for all 4 doors. I'll have a link in the description for Amazon. And they just line the door pockets there. That way you can pull them out and clean them out should you spill a beverage or something in there. Because there are not removable liners in the pockets. It's a little soft in the bottom there, but yeah, it's not removable. So let's see what we've got here. This is all they send with it. Alrighty, let's see what we got here. It's a rubbery material, I'm guessing silicone. This is for the passenger door. This one's for the driver's door. And they just set in the slot here. Basically just drops right down in there and it's good to go. All right, I'll do the other side. This is the passenger side one I tried to install on the driver's side earlier. This seems to just snap right into place. This portion just kind of sets in there, and this is kind of form-fitting and just snaps in. It's a good fit. Little pucker right there, but I suspect a warm summer day will fix that since it's rather chilly out right now. Let's do the back doors. All right, rear driver's side door. These are not interchangeable side to side, so make sure it fits the right way. This is the one for the rear driver's side door. Again, that just sort of sits right down in there. I'm going to double check this on the passenger door just to be sure I didn't mess them up. This is definitely the rear driver's door. It swoops up at the back to follow the shape of the door. It just sits right down in there. Well, let's do the rear passenger. Here we are at the rear passenger. Again, swoops up to follow the curvature of the bottom of the door, which I did not notice the first time. Just presses right down in there. The fit could be a little better, but it'll still do its job. I'm happy with it. If you end up spilling anything in there, again, there's nothing you can remove in the factory door. So this gives you a thing that'll catch drips or drabbles, crumbs, dirt, whatever. So you can pull this out, clean it, put it back in, good as new. All right, this is just a quick follow-up from the door pocket liners. They've been installed for about 4 weeks now. There's still a little bit of a gap here, but after a warm day, it seems to have settled in and fits a little better there. Let's take a look all the way around. Front driver's side door, and you can already see, just from getting in and out of the truck and stuff that's fallen in there, and I can just easily pull this right out, rinse it out, wipe it out, pop it back in the door. All that stuff isn't sitting down in there where it's very difficult to remove. Here's the rear passenger door. Again, just a little bit of a gap there, but it'll still catch, you can already see it's caught some stuff, some dust and whatnot that slipped in there. Front passenger door. So overall, they fit pretty well. There's just a tiny bit of a gap there. I'm not worried about that. And you can see it's caught, probably some stuff. I mean, you can take a look at our driveway. Our maple tree drops a whole bunch of buds in the spring, and I suspect some of that has ended up in there, but that ends up being a good catch for dirt and debris and stuff where I can just pull this out, clean it out, and then my door pocket is perfectly clean. I'm happy. Link will be in the description. Hope you all have a great day, and thanks for watching.